Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am the Weather Dude, and before I get started, thank you for all the kind notes and comments you left in the comments box when you saw my last video. I really appreciated that. So we are now going to get started on my weather presentation for November 7th, 2018. First flakes for the I-95 corridor is what I'm going to start out with. It might sound crazy, but we might see our first flakes already next week. It's usually uncommon, but it's actually not. Because generally we say it's first on December 16th, we would only be about a month early. These are the maps for Tuesday through Wednesday. Tuesday, we see rain along the I-95 corridor, transfer into a mix on Tuesday night, and Wednesday, we could also see a wintry mix of rain and snow combined. Wednesday night, it might transfer over to a little bit of snow before I think by Thursday it would pull out of here. So this is tropicaltidbits.com, the website that I use for tracking storms. And as you can see, the rain up and down the 95 corridor, just back to the west is snow. This is around Tuesday evening. And then by early Wednesday morning around midnight, that storm pulls off, the cold side of the storm comes around, and we could potentially see some snow. Now this storm could be a coastal storm or a nor'easter. Well, what makes a nor'easter? A polar jet from the north and a subtropical jet from the south collide. The subtropical jet brings warm, moist air. The polar jet brings cold, dry air. They usually form within 100 miles of the eastern seaboard between New Jersey and Georgia, and they can bring rain, snow, sleet, or freezing rain. How is a nor'easter different from a hurricane? We all know they spin along the coast. Well, since a subtropical jet sends in cool, moist air into the storm, and the polar jet sends in cold, dry air into the storm, nor'easters have a cold core or center. Hurricanes have a warm core center because they are formed off of warm waters. A lot of cold air gets thrown into nor'easters. That's why they have a cold center. So typical setup for a nor'easter is just from weather.com, and as you can see, the jet stream goes to the south. We have a low track to the coast. Now if it goes close to the coast, we generally see rain. To the east, we generally see snow. Not too far to the east, but decently off the coast. May cause rain, snow, strong winds, and coastal flooding. Now, in order for a coastal storm to become a nor'easter, we must see the pressure in millibars drop by 24 millibars or more within 24 hours or less. And you can see cold front here, a warm front here. That's a warm sector to the east of the storm, cold sector to the west of the storm. Why am I mentioning this? Well, I mention this because the eastern seaboard may have a coastal storm or a nor'easter at the beginning of next week. This relates to what I said about the first flakes along the 95 corridor. That could be the storm that delivered that snow. The west of a low pressure system is where the cold air is. To the east of it is where the warm air is. So there's this possible scenario. You have the jet stream here. To the center of it is cold air. That will be moving east as the storm pulls out. And the backside, we could be seeing that snow. Thank you all for your attention, and thank you all for watching. And thank you all to my future fans, and have a nice day.